Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles, back with you again from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. And I wanted to introduce our new line of utility machines to you today. This is the Cf Moto brand. The machine I've got in front of me here is the U Force 1000, which is their utility line. This is a super nice vehicle. These things look awesome. They perform awesome. The U Force 1000 has a 963 cubic centimeter V-twin. Puts out about 79 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. That's impressive, guys, to say the least. Comes standard from the factory. I'll give you a shot up close here. Got 14-inch wheels with stag rubber all the way around. Nice looking suspension up under there. Give you a walk around here and let you take a look at it. Fully functional dump bed, which is awesome. These machines also come equipped with a 2-inch receiver, and the hitches come with them standard, so that's pretty cool there too. Looks like we got CV axle guards there standard, and this is a great blue color as well. Give you a full walk around here. Let you look at the front end of it. Nice aggressive front end on this machine. Comes standard with a 3,500 pound winch, another added accessory that these guys are just killing it on. Also comes standard with side view mirrors there. This is a 3-seat bench seat. We got a console there in the middle. I'm going to flip that up there so you guys can get a look at the full seat. There we go. And let me give you a shot of the dash here. Comes with a nice digital display. Very well done. These guys have thought of everything. Even comes equipped with a horn. What do you think about that? And let me crank this thing up here for you guys. Purrs like a kitten. Guys, come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling and check out Gateway Cycles in our inventory, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Let us know we're doing the good videos here. We'll try to get more of them out to you guys as soon as we have products that we think you'll find exciting. And thanks for watching, guys.